This is the best open source SaaS boilerplate you can get for free right now, and I'm going to prove it in 5 minutes. What you're looking at is a complete working AI SaaS. Auth, Stripe subscriptions, a credit system, AI image generation, all open source, all MIT licensed. You can clone this today, set it up in a few hours, and have a product that takes real payments. Let me show you everything. 3 steps. Clone it, add your keys, ship your product. That's not marketing. That's literally the setup. Everything hard is already done, and everything you see on this page is running live right now. Here's what makes this different from every template you've seen. The money layer is not a demo. It's the real thing. Auth that owns its data. Stripe webhooks that survive retries. And the core of it all, an append-only credits ledger. Most templates store your balance as one number in a column and just hope it stays correct. This one records every single transaction as a permanent row. The balance is enforced to equal the sum, and there are tests that literally race 2 payments against each other to prove double spending is impossible. Over 100 tests. Real Postgres. No mocks. And this is the part nobody else ships. This repo is built for AI coding agents. One AGENTS.md file briefs Claude Code, Cursor, Codex, Copilot. The moment you open the project, your AI already knows the commands, the rules, and what it's never allowed to touch. There are hooks that block broken code from being committed, and a built-in code reviewer agent, which, by the way, caught 4 real money bugs while this project was being built. Your AI assistant gets guardrails, so you can vibe code your product on top without breaking the payments underneath. Pricing is fully wired. Free plan, 2 subscriptions, and a one-time top-up. All of it driven from a single config file. Change one file, and your prices, checkout, and credit grants all update together. And look at this design. This doesn't look like a template. This looks like a product you'd pay for. Neo-brutalist, custom illustrations, every hover animated. All of this is yours, free. Let's go inside. I already have an account, so I'll just sign in. Email and password, Google, GitHub, magic links, all supported out of the box. This is the dashboard. My credit balance, my plan, and this, the credit transactions table. Every credit that moves through this app is recorded right here. The generate page. Real AI image generation. 1 credit per image. These are real generations. And look at this one. It failed. The provider errored. Watch what happened next. Back on the dashboard, there's the spend, -1, and right above it, the refund, +1. Automatic. The system spent the credit, the generation failed, and the ledger refunded it without anyone touching anything. That's what a real billing system does, and most paid boilerplates don't even do this. Let's generate one live. Paste a prompt, 1 credit, hit generate, and there it is. A real image from a real model. And you can swap the model by changing 1 line in your environment file. No code changes. Billing. Upgrade to Ultra. And this is real Stripe checkout, hosted by Stripe, with the customer portal for cancellations. Back up, and here's the one-time top-up. $5 for 100 credits. Both flows fully wired to the webhook that grants the credits. Connect your live Stripe keys, and this takes real money from real customers. Settings. Profile, password, connected accounts, and account deletion that properly cancels the subscription first. The details are done. Full dark mode, obviously. 1 click, and back. Sign out. All of this is on GitHub right now for free. MIT license. Use it commercially, no strings. Clone it, add your keys, and start charging for your product this week. The link is in the description, and if this saves you weeks of work, star the repo. That's the whole price. See you in the next one.